Hi, today I'm going to show you how to program an MEI bill validator. As you can see, when we feed it a $1 bill, it's rejecting it. So we're going to go through a reprogramming procedure on this unit, and to do that, the first thing you need to do is check your dip switches on the side of the machine and make sure all of those are in the off position. Once you have confirmed that all of the dip switches are in the off position, what you need to do then is go to your MEI owner's manual and go to the back page of the manual, and there you'll find a blank coupon. What you can do is photocopy that, and then in this case I've already filled out a coupon with the following settings. Item number 1, which is the number of bill directions, and what that means, I've set it for 4, which means you can stick the dollar bill any which way you want into the validator and it's going to accept it in any direction. Item number 2, I have set it for just taking $1 bills on the high acceptance level. I don't want to accept 2s or 5s, so I have blanked those out in the appropriate columns. Item number 3, long or short pulse. Typically timers like the long pulse, so I filled that out for long pulse. Item number 4, the pulses per dollar. Typically we're dealing with machines that take quarters also, so in this case I'm going to set it for 4 pulses per dollar. And then item number 5, the bezel lights on or flashing. In this case I filled it out to where they're just constantly on. So we're ready to feed it the coupon. However, before you feed it the coupon, on the back of your bill validator there is a small blue button. It'll be right next to a red LED if you have it powered up. And we needed to press the blue button one time, and that readies the machine for the coupon acceptance. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button on this machine. And then after pressing the button, I'm going to feed it the coupon. It's going to spit it back out and accept the new parameters. And if you're able to watch the back side of the bill validator, this red LED light that's next to the blue push button will flash 10 times acknowledging that it did read the program correctly. So let's go ahead and check our work. As you can see, the validator lights are on solid, which that was item number 5 that we checked. I'm going to go ahead and feed it a $1 bill. I'm just going to put it in whichever way I want, and it should send 4 pulses to the timer, which it did, so it did accept that program. But let's go ahead and run a $5 bill through it and see if it accepts the 5. Again, we programmed it to where it will not take a 5, so let's just confirm that it did pick up the program. And it rejected the bill, so it looks like we're good for the program. As far as troubleshooting the validator, again, the blue button on the back side, there is a red LED that's next to that when you have the thing powered up, and it will flash a series of blinks that correspond with different error codes on the back of the money cartridge. So let's say it's flashing 3 blinks at you. Number of flashes 3 indicates that it needs cleaning. And what that means is you need to remove the validator money cartridge. You simply lift up on the metal rod, and then you can pull the cartridge straight out. As you can see, then you can get to the glass that's inside of the validator that sometimes gets gunked up with dirt over time. There's also a mating glass that's inside the validator. You can clean those with some mild detergent. Water is preferred with a very soft rag. And to reinsert, it just snaps into place. So really that's about it. They're fairly easy to program and maintain. Thanks for watching.